Hygeaire Unit Demo, Wall-Mounted and Pendant-Mounted Models. Unpacking. Remove the lamp, accessories, and Hygeaire from its shipping carton, ensuring nothing is missing. Visually inspect the unit and optional power cord for any damage. Check to see that no screws came loose during shipping. All Hygeaire models are shipped with the following: 1 or 2 germicidal UV lamps, a UV warning sign in English and Spanish, and an owner's manual. The 2-lamp model also includes this pendant mounting kit. Length will vary based on your ceiling height. Fixture placement. Hygeaire is designed for occupied rooms, using specially designed louvers to direct ultraviolet rays to the upper portion of the room and away from occupants. Place the fixture in an area with good ventilation and a ceiling height of 9 feet or more. The ceiling should not be reflective, or room occupants could be exposed to UV rays. The unit should be mounted horizontally at least 7 feet from the floor. Fixtures must be mounted in locations able to support their weight. Wall-mounted model, 16 pounds. Pendant-mounted model, 40 pounds. Setup, mounting. Remove thumb screws and open the fixture. Remove outer mounting screws from each reflector on both sides. Pivot reflectors to expose mounting and wire access holes. Note, you may need to remove the top reflector completely for easier access to the electrical components. Drill holes 16 inches apart for top mounting screws. Tighten screws into anchors until head is about 1/8 of an inch from the wall. Mount fixture on screws, then tighten to secure to the wall. Have a licensed electrician complete the wiring according to code. Pivot or place the reflector back into its original location and replace the mounting screws. Lamp installation. Caution: be sure to wear safety glasses and gloves when performing this task. Insert lamp pin into the spring-loaded lamp holder. Align the pin on the other side and slowly release. Repeat these steps for second lamp, pendant-mounted models. Close fixture and replace thumb screws. Safety. After lamp warms up for about 5 minutes, survey the area with a UVC detector to make sure radiant exposure is within acceptable limits. The National Institute for Occupational Safety and Health NIOSH, has established the limit for exposure to 254 nanometer UVC lamps as 0.2 microwatts per square centimeter for an 8-hour period. Because Hygeaire projects UVC rays across upper room air, the unit must be powered off when maintenance personnel are working above 6 feet from the floor. Educate maintenance personnel and post supplied UV warning sign nearby to avoid possible damage to the eyes and skin. UV output adjustment. Hygeaire lamp output is adjustable. If, after surveying the occupied area, it is found that UV levels are above acceptable limits, lamp output must be adjusted. Remove the plug on the bottom of the unit, allowing access to the potentiometer. Insert a flathead screwdriver into the slotted shaft. Slowly turn until desired output is reached. Turning clockwise will increase lamp output, while rotating counterclockwise will decrease output. Replace protective plug. Congratulations on the purchase of your new Hygeaire ultraviolet disinfection model. Please don't hesitate to contact one of our UV specialists if you should need any further assistance. Atlantic Ultraviolet Corporation. Contact us today.